The term post-dating is very important in Indian patent law. This term has been mentioned in Section 9 and 17 of the Act. This is Bindu Sharma from Origin. Purpose of this series of videos, Key Terms Patent Act, is to understand important terms used in patent law. Generally speaking, the term post-dating with respect to patent law means shifting date of filing patent application to the later date. There are specific reasons for which the applicant desires to post-date the patent application. Provision of post-dating a patent application is available in other countries like New Zealand and United Kingdom also. However, the US patent law does not have any provision for post-dating of a patent application. Under Indian Patents Act 1970, there is a mention of post-dating in Section 9, Provisional and Complete Specification, as well as Section 17, Power of Controller to make orders respecting dating of application. Let's first see Section 9, Subsection 4 of Patent Act. Applicant can request the controller to post-date the application after filing and before grant of the patent. The date of post-date shall be specified and the controller may direct that the application shall be post-dated. Please remember that such post-date shall not be requested or made for a date later than 6 months from the date on which it was actually made or would be deemed to have been made. So maximum time to post-date a patent application is 6 months. However, one can request for post-date less than 6 months as well. As you know that applicant has to file complete specification within 12 months from filing provisional application. In this section, it has been mentioned that on the request of applicant, the controller may cancel the provisional specification and post-date the application to the date of filing of complete specification. For example, if the date of filing provisional application is 5th June 2009, date of filing complete application is 15th October 2009. In this case, under Section 9, Subsection 4, applicant can request controller to post-date the application to the date of filing complete application, that is 15th October 2009. Please note here that post-dating cannot be requested beyond 6 months. Let's have a look at this case law, Standy Pack versus Oswald Trading. In this case, it was ruled that post-dating of the patent can be done only to the date of filing of complete specification, where a complete specification has been filed in pursuance of an application for a patent accompanied by provisional specification or by a specification treated by virtue of a direction under subsection 3 as a provisional specification. So this clearly indicates that post-dating can be done only till the date of filing complete specification if you are requesting post-dating under Section 9 of Indian Patent Act. It was further stated in this case that the controller may, if the applicant so requests at any time before grant of the patent, can cancel the provisional specification and post-date the application to the date of filing of complete specification. The interpretation of Section 9, Subsection 4 is that when the inventor has not provided sufficient disclosure or has provided incomplete information in the provisional specification, he can file complete specification within 12 months of filing the provisional specification and may request to cancel the such provisional specification. In this case, the date of application will be the date on which such complete specification is filed. There is no specific form for post-dating the application and hence the request for post-dating can be filed through Form 30 to post-date the application. The fees for post-dating is 800 rupees for natural person or startup, 2000 rupees for small entity, and 4000 rupees for others except small entity for e-filing. And you know it very well that 10% additional respectively in the case of filing by physical mode is applicable in all the cases. I hope section 9 is clear to you with respect to post-dating a patent application. Now we move on to section 17, power of controller to make orders respecting dating of application. This section says that the application for patent may be post-dated to a date not later than 6 months from the date of application on a request made by the applicant at any time before the grant of patent along with the prescribed fees as given in the first schedule. This provision will not apply if the application is deemed to be abandoned for some reason. Let's see this illustration. If the date of filing a patent application is 5th June 2009 and you're requesting post-dating of application under section 17 of the Act, then post-dating cannot be requested beyond 5th December 2009, that is 6 months from the date of filing. Now the question arises that why would an applicant want to post-date the patent application? Applicant may be required to post-date the application under specific circumstances. You know it well that if you have filed provisional application within 12 months from the date of provisional filing, complete application shall be filed. Subsection 1 of section 9 clearly states that when an application for a patent is accompanied by provisional specification, a complete specification shall be filed within 12 months from the date of filing application, and if the complete application is not filed within the time period of 12 months, the application shall be deemed to be abandoned. However, if the information to file complete application is not ready or there is some financial crisis, the applicant can post-date the application to the maximum time period of 6 months, and this helps him to extend his deadline to file complete application. It is interesting to note that post-dating as an option can be availed to post-date the complete application also if the applicant claims priority date by filing complete application. If the applicant has missed the deadline to file PCT application, which is 12 months from the date of priority, post-dating the Indian patent application might be helpful to get extra time of 6 months to file PCT application. Even though post-dating as an option is helpful for the applicant in few circumstances, it could be very risky at times. After filing patent application, if the applicant has disclosed the invention in public, followed by post-dating of the application, this might destroy novelty of the invention. Therefore, the applicant shall opt for post-dating the application after calculating the risk involved in the process. Let's take this example. Assume that date of priority of a patent application is 15th June 2019. Applicant himself made a publication on 25th August 2019. After making the publication, he post-dates the application for 6 months, that is 15th December 2019. Now in this case, the new priority date of the application becomes 15th December 2019. In this case, priority date is later than date of publication, which means that novelty of the invention is lost. Therefore, post-dating as an option shall be availed very carefully to ensure that there is no publication or disclosure of the invention before date of priority. Otherwise, post-dating will turn out to be a very risky option and the applicant may lose rights over the invention forever. Question for the day is, The fee payable by a startup company for post-dating the patent application is option A 800 rupees, option B 1000 rupees, option C 2000 rupees, and option D is 4000 rupees. You can put your answers in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. For any queries related to our services, you can contact us. Email ID and phone number is given in the video description. See you next week. Till then, keep learning and keep innovating.